जब से हुआ तेरे नजदीक है.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our YouTube channel Explore with Moin and Sadia. Today we are going to show you around one of the coolest neighborhoods in the world. Yes, we are in Little India in Singapore. It doesn't matter whether you are from India or not, you will definitely enjoy this place. By the way, don't get confused with my reaction regarding the Malabar golds and diamond. Personally, I don't like their design, that's all. It has nothing to do with Little India street. So yeah, don't go anywhere, stay with us and enjoy this vlog.
तेरी चाहत ने बदला मेरे दिल का जुगराफिया.
Little India is a vibrant ethnic neighborhood and has a very different vibe compared to the other well-known areas in Singapore. It ranks 19th in Time Out's list of 51 coolest neighborhoods in the world for 2022. And this place, I mean Little India, is a hub of Indian culture and heritage located in the heart of the city. The area is known for its colorful and bustling street lined with shops, restaurants, temples and markets. Here you will find one of the most popular shopping center in Singapore, which is called Mustafa Centre. In this shopping center, you will find anything and everything, starting from your groceries, electronics, gift items, home appliance, travel kit, everything. Even they also have a money exchange. And it has a restaurant on top of the building, and this building is so huge, it spans across a few buildings together, and it is almost like 5 to 6 floors in each building. So it's huge and it's very popular both for the local tourists and also for other people. And the money exchange, even that is quite popular as well, because they give you one of the best exchange rate in Singapore. And when we were there, we also exchanged our currency once and we got good price. So this is the Mustafa Centre which we are talking about, and now we will give you a walking tour of it so that you can understand what is available here.
तेरी चाहत ने बदला मेरे दिल का जुगराफिया. जग को मैं जीनियस लगता हूँ, चेहरा ये सीरियस रखता हूँ, अंदर से दिल फेंक हूँ. माना हूँ छोटे घर का, जेब से हूँ कड़का, लड़का मैं बड़ा ही नेक हूँ. तेरे चेहरे पे सारे मरते हैं, बाकी लड़के भी वादे करते हैं, लेकिन निभाते नहीं. मौके पे काम आए, वादा जो निभाए, एक लौटा मैं ही एक हूँ.
घबराना, मुहूर्त हमारे मिलन का निकट है पिया. बस एक गुगली से पापा का तुझको गिराना विकेट है पिया.
Inside the Mustafa Centre, you will find a corner of bling bling, I mean gold jewelry corner. But most of them are inspired by South Indian jewelry. That's why I didn't get anything from here, because personally I don't like South Indian style that much. But if you are a fan of South Indian jewelry, then this place would be the one. You can go and have your desired one.
तितली दिल उड़ा 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 है कहीं दूर.
So we are done with our shopping from Mustafa Centre. Now we are checking out all the restaurants outside for having our dinner, and today we are thinking to have South Indian meal. That's why we are checking out especially all those South Indian restaurant, and finally we found one which also have good review on Google, I mean on TripAdvisor. So we thought let's give a try, let's order something which is their signature dish, and let's see how it is.
अनसुने से जैसे चूमे अंधे
This restaurant, I mean Maharaj restaurant, which is authentic Indian cuisine, is quite popular among the locals and tourists. And we ordered 2 plain roti paratha, 1 veg dalcha, and 1 nasi goreng Malaysian style with extra spice.
सिर्फ कह जाओ या आसमां पे लिख दूं तेरी तारीफों में चश्मे बदलूं.
You all can see Moin's reaction. So when I asked how was the food, he said it was heaven on earth. And literally the food was too good, and compared to the price, it was top notch.
चल के खुशबू से जुड़ा जुड़ा
So yeah, that's all for today from Little India Mustafa Centre. Until the next vlog, stay happy, stay healthy, and if you are watching our channel for the first time, don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe. Wish you all a very happy day. Take care. Bye bye.